In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make sure your favorite cryptocurrencies show up in your trading window, ready to use. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're logged into your trading account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Market Watch panel. This is usually on the left side of the platform, and it's the area where you see a list of symbols, such as currency pairs, indices, or other instruments your broker offers. If you don't see Market Watch, you can enable it by going to the View menu and selecting Market Watch, or by using the shortcut your platform provides. Inside the Market Watch window, you'll see existing symbols already available. To add crypto, you'll need to open the Symbol Selection panel. Look for the option to add or show more symbols. Depending on your version, this might be a small plus icon, an Add button at the bottom of the window, or an option called Symbols. Go ahead and click Add below the Market Watch list, or choose the equivalent option that opens the list of all available instruments. A new window or panel will appear showing all the symbols that your broker supports. These are usually organized into categories like forex, metals, indices, and crypto. Scroll through the list or the left-hand categories until you find the crypto group. Once you've opened the crypto section, you'll see different cryptocurrency pairs or instruments listed there. Now choose a crypto you want to add. This might be something like a major coin paired with a common currency. Select the crypto symbol you're interested in by clicking on it. When you select it, you'll either see an option to show, an on-off toggle, or a similar button to activate it in Market Watch. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Confirm any pop-up windows or dialogues that ask you to apply or save your changes. After you follow the on-screen prompts, close the symbols window. You should now see your chosen crypto added to the Market Watch list. From there, you can right-click on the symbol to open a new chart, place an order, or check its properties and trading conditions. That's all you need